In this video, we'll walk you through important tax changes that may soon impact monetizing creators outside of the United States, including Indian creators. We know tax information can be overwhelming, so we are going to walk you through everything you need to know about what's changing and the steps you need to take. And be sure to check out the links in the description for even more detail. Let's dive in. First, what's happening? You may begin to have taxes deducted from your US earnings later this year. Google has a responsibility under Chapter 3 of the US Internal Revenue Code to collect tax information from all monetizing creators outside of the US, and in certain instances, to deduct taxes when these creators earn income from viewers in the US. These US earnings can come from ad views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships. So, what does this mean for you? Over the next few weeks, you will be asked to submit your tax information in AdSense. Here's how to find it. In AdSense, go to Payments and then Manage Settings. You will see an option to manage your US tax info there. You will be asked a series of questions to determine the appropriate tax form. This online tax form will be available in your selected AdSense language. Generally, this will be either Form W8BEN, which is typically for individuals, or Form W8BENE, which is typically for businesses. If you are unsure about which forms you need to fill out, you should consult a tax advisor. Note, even if you are paid by an MCN, you will still need to submit your tax info in the AdSense account that's linked to your channel. How much will you be taxed? How much you will be taxed depends on a few things. It depends on if your valid tax form has been submitted or not, how much your channel earns from US viewers, and if you make a valid claim under the tax treaty India has with the US. Let's dive into each of these factors. First, is your tax form submitted? Once you submit a valid tax form, you can find your tax withholding rate in the payment section of AdSense. If you make a valid claim under India's tax treaty with the US, the tax withholding rate on royalties is 15%. This will be applied to your monthly US earnings from AdSense. If you want to calculate your US earnings, go to YouTube Analytics and then Advanced Mode. Then select the date range you want to look at. Since you are paid monthly, we suggest setting the date range to look at the month you want to calculate. Then click Geography. From here, add a secondary metric and choose your estimated revenue. From there, find the US in the list of countries below the graph to see your estimated US revenue. As one example, if you make $200 from the US every month, at a 15% tax withholding rate, $30 would be withheld monthly. Now, what happens if your tax form is not submitted? If Google does not have tax forms for you by the time these changes go into effect, Google will be required by law to presume you are a US person if you have an individual AdSense account. This means that until we have your completed tax info, we may need to withhold up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide, not just your US earnings. So the earlier you can get your forms in, the better. Finally, how do you claim India's tax treaty with the US? To claim a tax treaty benefit, you will need to provide an India Tax Identification Number in the Tax Identity section of the tax tool in AdSense. This is issued by the Indian government. Or in some cases, you can provide a US Tax Identification Number like an Employer Identification Number, EIN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. For more detailed information on this tax requirement, please check out our Help Center and the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.